Hello, everyone, and welcome to the South Middle School Guidance Department's February Virtual Assembly. My name is Mr. Donaldson, and I'm the 7th grade school counselor. I'm joined by my colleagues, Mrs. Perez, 6th grade school counselor, and Mrs. Martinez, our 7th grade school counselor. We will discuss our monthly theme, which is cultural competence, review quarter 2 data, and discuss next steps for quarter 3 and beyond.
Cultural competence is having an awareness of your own cultural identity and views about differences, and the ability to learn and build on the different cultural and community norms of your family and all of those around you. We are all different, and that makes us unique. We can work towards learning about and accepting others. Respecting everyone for their differences is how we become the change we want to see in this world. Watch this video to learn more about cultural competence.
Everyone is different. Everyone is different. We might look different, like different things, think different thoughts, and have different abilities. We are all unique in our own way. Sometimes we might know people who like the same things that we do. And that can be fun because we can do those things together. But you might also know people who are very different from you. For example, they might speak a different language, and you might not understand everything they are saying. But that doesn't mean you can't get to know them. You can smile and try to say hello, and find other ways to communicate and be friends. Some people might eat foods that are different from the foods you eat. The food might seem strange to you, but that doesn't mean you should stare or say something rude about what they're eating. You would not like it if someone did that to you, so don't do it to someone else. Instead, you can ask them what they're eating and what it tastes like. Who knows? You might even like it. Other people might wear clothes that are different from what you wear. But that doesn't mean you should laugh or tease someone for wearing something different from you. You wouldn't like it if someone did that to you, so don't do it to someone else. We all have our own style, and that's okay. We also all have things that we are good at. Other people might have different abilities than you do. You might be able to do some things better than someone else, but chances are they can also do something better than you can. Or maybe they might get the same thing done, but in a different way. But that doesn't mean that you should make fun of them. You wouldn't like it if someone made fun of you, so never do it to anyone else. Instead, you can ask questions and learn from the other person, and like them just the way they are. Everyone is different in their own way, but we can all respect each other's differences.
I agree 100%. Respecting each other's differences is extremely important. It is also extremely important to reflect on our academic experiences to learn from and apply to the present and future. We ended quarter 2 on January 29th, 2021.
So how did we do for quarter 2? We are going to review the data to see how many scholars we have in red, yellow, and green. Remember that green is passing all 4 of your core classes. Yellow is passing all 4 of your core classes, but your attendance is below 90%, or only passing 3 of your core classes. Red is failing 2 or more of those classes. So now that we look at the data, we see that for green, 6th grade has 117 scholars, 7th grade has 116 scholars, and 8th grade has 131 scholars. In yellow, 6th grade has 110 scholars, 7th grade has 111 scholars total, and 8th grade has 97 scholars total. For red, 6th grade has 68 scholars total, 7th grade has 76 scholars total, and 8th grade has 80 scholars total. Remember that these grades are cumulative, so that means that they are the average of quarters 1 and quarter 2.
Regardless of whether you are green, yellow, or red, we highly recommend the following next steps. Academically, access your student portal account to monitor your attendance, progress report comments, and report card grades. Your quarter 2 report card is available on your student portal account. If you are unable to access it, please reach out to your grade level school counselor for assistance. Attend class daily. Your attendance has a direct impact on your academic performance. Set smart academic goals. If your average in a class for quarter 2 is a 75, a reasonable SMART goal would be to earn an 80 or higher in that class for quarter 3. Every Wednesday is asynchronous Wednesday. That means that live classes are not in session, but you are responsible for the attendance sign-in sheet for each class and must complete and submit the homework assignments before 11:59 p.m. Also, we highly recommend that you reach out to your teachers for support during their office hours on Wednesdays. Celebrate your progress. Small victories are certainly worthy. Remember that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step. To ensure that you are able to achieve your SMART goals and maximize your academic performance, we highly recommend taking brain breaks throughout the day, engage in exercise daily, and try to get fresh air while keeping your health and safety as a priority. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. Talk to a trusted adult if you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or need support with anything. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations and a growth mindset. Your words and thoughts have power. Remind yourself every day that you're an amazing person destined for greatness.